Hey guys, welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today I will speak about next affiliate marketing program who can give you passive income, and we will speak today about Amazon associated affiliate marketing program. If you are brand new to affiliate marketing, it's basically just referral and selling other companies' product and services. So affiliated program we are talking today is called Amazon associated. Like you see in my computer, I'm now logged into Amazon associated program, and I searched some MacBook Pro 15-inch products, and here are displayed all available products that are available in Amazon store, and I can get link and start selling this product. If someone click your links and buy in next 24 hours, you get commissions from this link. Actually, you get commission from everything what somebody buy from this link from next 24 hours. Here we have table with all fee rates what we got when someone bought product from all links. Like you see, fee rates starting from 0, 1% and ending for 10% in category luxury beauty and Amazon coins. So if someone want to buy a MacBook Pro, for example, for $2,500, and this product is in a PC category, so we have 2.5% fee. So we should got around $16 commissions from this one sales. I understand it's not easy things to sell $2,500 laptop, but hopeful with my tips I give you today, I will help you guys on your journey to make you more money with Amazon Associate program, and this should be help you how to start with this program. The secret of earning money in Amazon Associated program is a system that gets traffic and sales. And basically traffic is people who visit your links and they clicking your link and going to Amazon store and buying stuff from your link. You need to remember, if you're selling computer, you get 2.5% commissions from sales. But if you sell something, if you sell some product from luxury beauty category, you get 10% commissions from sold product. So if you think little about it, you need to find your niche where you want to build your traffic and a product category what you want to sell. Second is selling product who have bigger price than selling product with lower price. Or you can sell more product, and this is called bundling. For example, when you buy camera, you buy batteries, SD cards, tripods, microphone, and a lot of other accessories to your camera. So if someone want to buy camera and click in your link from Amazon, he can buy another stuff in the same link. So you can get more commissions from one click in the link. To increase income from Amazon associated program, you need more people clicking your links. You ask how to get more traffic from your links. To do this, you need to create content that attract consumers who are researching phrase they looking up this product. So for example, if you want to buy a new camera, what do you do usually? You're searching some review video about this product, and one of the example is making review video. So take a look. I make small search about Canon S 5D Mark IV. Here is some video where somebody spoke about this camera. And when you go to description, you scroll down and you can see here's some link to Amazon. When you click, you will be redirected to Amazon page, and somebody who created this link on this description, when you buy this camera, he gets some commissions from your boat. Next example are travel videos, where people making some daily videos and share with their audience what stuff was created this video. Some camera, drones, laptop, etc. So take a look. Here is one of the channel that I'm watching, is Fun for Louis. He creating daily vlogs from his trip, And if we go to more in description, boom, here is a list of stuff what he's used. So when you click one of the link, you go to Amazon page and he get commissions from your order where you buy something from him. In internet are more video platforms where you can make a video and put their links to Amazon affiliate program. One of this platform is Vimeo, one of the populars after YouTube channel. Another place where you can get free traffic are blog, where you can write some review and create content connected with this product and put their link to this program. Like you see, here is some blog about Canon camera, and you can simply create your own page with content similar like this when you're making review about camera, and put inside the text some link to your referral program to Amazon associated program. Next good place are social networks. So if you prepared some videos, some article, some blog posts, some image who can support you selling product on Amazon associated program, you need share this content there. There are a lot of people using these platforms, and you can get some free traffic from this platform for free. Okay, I spoke little about how it's work, but I don't show how to get link for product. And it's very simple. First, create your account on Amazon associated program. If you doesn't have account, I left the link in description to this program. Second is log into this program. Next, you need to find product what you want to start selling. In my case, it will be some product of Canon, and I select this product. And what you need to get, you need push this button, or you can select this option for get some text links, only text link. If you want some shortened version, you need push this button and get short version. If you want get some advanced options to get some banners like this, you have this here code. You can have code HTML for link, and here is code HTML for image. Here you have option to get standard link, short link, so the same what we have in Began. And now when you have link to your product, you can start sharing it in your system to get sales from these links. I hope this video helped you understand how work Amazon associated program. And if you liked this video, please let thumbs up or let some comments, and don't forget subscribe my channel to not miss next videos.